So what can we learn from the second law of thermodynamics that can help us in our businesses, in our relationships, and in our life? So the second law of thermodynamics is that a closed energy system that doesn't have any openings, doesn't take in any new information, any new energy, a closed system will break down and get less orderly over time. Think about something like a rusty bike, entropy just taking over, things just left to rot. What that means is if you've got a system in your business, if you've got a relationship, if you've got an interest and a hobby and you're not actually doing anything with it, you're not actually adding any more energy, you've not got an opening, you're not trying some new things, it's going to break down over time. It's going to become less efficient over time. So what you can do about that is you can experiment, you can read, you can listen to audiobooks, you can speak to different people, you can take on different points of view, you can try new things to try and kind of open that system up just a little bit. It's amazing, the left field ideas that you can get, the extra energy, because that's what we all want. We all want more energy, more innovation, more vitality in our life. And what this law has taught me, which I'm trying to share with you now, which is brilliant, is it's an actual scientific law. If you have a closed system, it's just going to get smaller and just break down. But if you keep it open, fresh, keep bringing new things, it's going to be alive, it's going to be vital. So think about that for your business. Think about that in investing time in your relationships. It could just be playing the guitar for your hobby, just having that little bit of effort, that little bit of energy. It doesn't have to be a lot, but just keep that little door open and keep investing, and make sure you've got a bit more of an open system. Give it a try. Think how much you could benefit from it. It's exciting.